What if I told you that you don't need to be a master chef to enjoy a perfect meal? See, making perfect meals is not that hard if you have the right tool. Top-tier restaurants have trained chefs and often use time-consuming techniques to achieve the results. But at home, you likely don't have that time. When attempting to replicate them at home, it often ends up in a mess. That's where ChefMaker comes in, the professional kitchen tool that makes perfect meals without hassle or expertise. Let's take a look at this filet mignon steak, for example. Traditional tools like pans, ovens, or air fryers make it hard to be precise, which often leads to overcooked, dry, or even burnt results. ChefMaker, on the other hand, achieves a mouth-watering caramelized exterior with the perfect doneness on the inside, slices like butter. Any dish becomes incredibly simple with ChefMaker. Let me show you how with the salmon. First, season the fish, insert the probe, and fill up the water tank. Select program and press start. That's it. After 20 minutes, you'll have a beautiful, flaky, delectable piece of salmon. To achieve this level of meal perfection, totally stress-free, we created Combi Cook technology. Combi Cook takes the science of world-class cooking techniques and translates them into an algorithm which balances temperature, moisture, and time, making you an expert chef every time you step in the kitchen. Bring these same masterful results to different meats, poultry, seafood, and vegetables. Grow your knowledge base with new recipes and video guides. And no cleaning catastrophe after dinner. With ChefMaker, our sole focus was taking the complexity out of perfectly cooked food. From the initial idea to the final product, we designed over 50 different prototypes and perfected every single detail. To develop a precise and consistent algorithm capable of producing perfect results, we spent over 20 months of testing over 5,000 pounds of meat. We're happy to say that ChefMaker is in the final stages of bringing expert-level food to everyone's kitchen. We now need your support to make this project a reality. Become our backer today and reignite your love for food. Cook smarter, not harder, with ChefMaker.